family, today we're going to go over stepping grits and doing repair work. We use the metal grit filler, 2-component, and one of the things I like to do before I put any bondo on the MDF is take a little bit of lacquer thinner on a rag and clean the surface first. So bondos have just kind of a haze over them, and if I went straight to 220 or even 320 and tried to level sand that, the first thing that's going to happen is that haze is going to fill up my my abrasive. So I don't want to try to scratch anything except for the top of that, and we're using these grit grips. They're really cool for these different applications. It's kind of like having a flexible block. The other thing that I really like to have is a vacuum so that I can keep my area clean. It's easier for me to do this by hand using a vacuum than it is to use a machine. It's real easy with the machine to dish out your bondo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scratch it with the 80 first, and then I'm going to step my grits up to 150 and then to 320. So once everything is the same color, then I know that it's pretty much level, and I want to just take off the haze that's on there. I'm not really trying to get it level yet. Then I'm going to take the 150. Once I get that to where it's pretty close, I'll take my 320 and just kind of go over it real lightly. I really didn't damage the MDF much, so I'm just going to take you through the process really quickly. Where I divvied it out with the Dremel. Asking what happened when they pin nailed these from the back. The pin nail had a little swollen spot, and if you just sand it, it's gonna make it swell. So I took a Dremel tool and I made a little divot with the Dremel tool, and then we came back and bondo. But I don't have to worry about that being seen. And then also all of my isolante and primer will fill all those.